Hello guys, we are here in Gokyoso. Ito ay matatagpuan sa North Finchley beside Hollywood Bowl. Syempre maglilibre si boss kaya gora kami. This is our third time. I think that is already 3 years ago. Kaya family kami ngayon pumunta dito. Ang first serving nila are salad with the naan bread. Malaki ang place nila dito at napakaganda for any occasion. Ito na, sinerve na nila yung kinuha namin yung platter for 3 people. Medyo malalaki-laki naman itong mga kasamahan ko. Ay, mali pala, kami palang 3. So far, yung price dito is not bad really. We spend 95 pounds all in all na. And busog na busog after all. Well recommended, malaki yung place for events and anything. Anyway, till then, until next vlog, bye-bye!